Just gonna break the hose loose right here on this 14 millimeter on top of the caliper. I'm gonna break that loose right here on the top of the caliper, 14 mil. So down below, behind the rotor, I'm gonna loosen this bolt to the brake hose. It's a 12 millimeter. Take that bracket off. If you get the flare wrenches, the line wrench goes all the way around the nut so you don't round it off. As you can see, I'll loosen this nut so we can remove the hose. Right there. Got the new hose. As soon as we detach it, we'll put the new one on. It's got the new clip, so it goes under there. Goes like that. Just gonna pry it off with a screwdriver. Pull that clip off. All right, now we're gonna take this off with the old hose. Same length as the old one. It's factory, so slide it up. You can see the shape. Just slide it up in that groove. It'll fit perfectly. And then you'll just tighten her down. Make sure it's lined up. Don't want to cross thread it. You'll see it doesn't go all the way down the threads. It's normal to have some gap. Here's your new clip. Stick it on there. That keeps it in place. Put the new clip on there, holds the hose in place. Now we're going to run the hose back down. So we got the new hose. Now we're going to tighten down that 12 millimeter. Got it tightened down. Put the hose back on the caliper. We got the new brake hose installed. It got dark on the rest of the brake job. That's how you install a brake hose on a 2007 Honda Accord. Hope this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.